Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. First, let's look at the simplest way to place custom code inside a page or post. From your WordPress dashboard, open Pages or Posts and either edit an existing item or create a new one. In the editor, click the plus icon to add a block, search for custom HTML, and insert it. Paste your HTML directly into that block. Use the preview option to see how it will render in the page, and when you're happy, click Update or Publish to make it live. This method is great for snippets like tables, buttons, or embeds that you want to control precisely. If you copy code from elsewhere, make sure it's clean and doesn't include unnecessary inline styles that might slow down your site. If you only need to tweak the HTML of a specific block, you can edit that block's markup directly. Click the block you want to change, open the three-dot menu, and choose Edit as HTML. You'll see the raw HTML for just that block, which you can adjust. When you're done, switch back by choosing Edit visually. Keep an eye on opening and closing tags here. Small typos can break the layout. If something looks off, use Undo or revert to the visual view to sanity check your changes. To add HTML to a sidebar or other widget area, go to Appearance, then Widgets in your dashboard. Select the widget area where you want the code to appear. Add a new widget, search for custom HTML, and place it in that area. Paste your code and click Update or Save. This is ideal for badges, small banners, or custom messages that should appear site-wide in a consistent spot. For site-wide code that belongs in the header or footer, such as analytics, verification tags, or tracking pixels, use a dedicated plugin. Install and activate a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers by WP Code. Then head to Code Snippets, choose Header and Footer, and paste your HTML in the appropriate box. Save your changes. Put code in the header if it must load early, and in the footer if it can wait until the end of the page for better performance. A few final tips. Only use code from sources you trust, since unsafe HTML can pose security risks. Validate and tidy your markup to avoid conflicts with your theme or plugins. And having a basic grasp of tags like div, span, img, and headings will make troubleshooting much easier. Preview your changes, test on different devices, and you'll be set. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.